2011 Panasonic Camcorders. The advanced 3MOS system enhances our 3MOS Full HD camcorders. A wide-angle 28mm and intelligent 40x zoom improve our 1MOS Full HD camcorders. And a 78x zoom and optical image stabilizer strengthen our standard definition camcorders. Our 2011 camcorder lineup goes from Full HD to standard definition models. The 3MOS Full HD camcorders are top-end models with the advanced 3MOS system. The Leica Dicomar lens features optical technology from the world-renowned Leica AG. The 3MOS sensor system uses separate sensors to capture the three primary colors of light. And the new HD Crystal Engine Pro processes image data at high speed. The advanced 3MOS system combines these elements to produce Panasonic's highest quality images. Even in dimly lit places like this. Colors are beautifully captured with about 45% less noise than our previous model. Full HD 50 progressive recording captures moving subjects clearly. So fast motion images are smoothly reproduced. At 28 megabits per second, it processes about twice as much information as interlaced recording for high-resolution details. The hybrid optical image stabilizer. It compensates for both wrist and arm movement in 4 directions. And hybrid optical image stabilizer also combines with an optical and digital system to minimize image degradation. Whether you're shooting while walking or zooming, hybrid OIS reduces handshake twice as effectively as previous systems. The 3MOS Full HD Camcorder 900 series produces Panasonic's highest quality images. This is the 3MOS Full HD Camcorder SD800. The optional 3D conversion lens lets it shoot 3D images. So it greatly expands the world of video recording fun. Our 1MOS Full HD camcorders. The 28mm wide angle captures a wide area. It's ideal for shooting in small spaces, for fitting many people into the frame, and for shooting in situations where you cannot step back from the subject. It lets you include more background area in the frame. Intelligent zoom. With intelligent resolution technology, captures sharp images even when zooming beyond the optical zoom range. When zooming, hybrid optical image stabilizer detects and corrects both wrist and arm movements. It combines an optical image stabilization system and a digital system to record clear, blur-free images all the way up to 40 times. The 1MOS Full HD Camcorder 90 series has a 28mm wide angle that shoots from wide angle to telephoto. The compact camera body is fitted with a 42x intelligent zoom and 33.7mm wide angle. The 1MOS Full HD Camcorder 80 series. It's the world's lightest Full HD camcorder at about 169 grams with a battery life of 135 minutes. The 1MOS Full HD Camcorder 40 series. Standard definition camcorders. The enhanced optical 78x zoom. gives you high-power zooming without image degradation. And the advanced optical image stabilizer in the standard class minimizes blurring, even for high-power shooting. This is our standard definition series with enhanced optical 78 times zoom. From Full HD to standard definition, Panasonic's 2011 camcorders deliver high-quality images.